Let's make the Machete Melon Cooler from Kraken Rum. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make the Machete Melon Cooler from Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. I don't know why this is a Machete Melon Cooler. I do know that the picture of it online has a little machete, toy machete on top as part of the garnish. I couldn't find those, so I'm going to be using little plastic swords instead. Also note that this is a layered drink. I'm not very good at layering, but I'm going to do my best. I do know that my wife loves this drink, whether I do a good job of layering it or not. I enjoy it as well. A note on the rum. If you're going to make a Machete Melon Cooler from Kraken Rum, you probably really should be using the black spiced rum from Kraken Rum. If you want to make this drink with a different rum, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the official Machete Melon Cooler. To make this drink, we are going to start by shaking some ingredients. We're going to start with half an ounce of simple syrup. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters, and I do make my own simple syrups. Recipes here on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to give it a go on your own. Note that I do use raw cane sugar instead of white sugar, which is why it turns out a little bit darker. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters. I think I said that. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1 ounce of melon liqueur. I am using Midori. There may be others out there. Feel free to use the one that you so choose. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Now the recipe says 1 ice cube. Shake with 1 ice cube. I don't know why you would shake with 1 ice cube, but we're going to do what the recipe says. It seems so silly. Now I'm going to fill my glass with ice. And I'm going to strain that 1 ice cube out of there and put this green stuff in the bottom of the glass. Set that aside. Now I'm going to add 1 ounce of soda water into my glass. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Oh, I think you could probably get away with a couple more. May try 2 ounces. No, should I stick to the recipe? You let me know in the comments down below. It'd be too late then, but feel free to let me know. And I need to slow pour this. And I just recently learned that there is a difference between soda water and club soda. Normally for something like this, I'd use club soda. I like Shawipis if you want to use that. I think you can get away with using that instead of soda water. I'm using soda water because I'm trying to be official, so let's do 1 ounce. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And we're actually going to measure it, which means my layers may not be so clear. Now, 1.5 ounces of the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. And I'm going to flip it over. I know there's a big side to this because I'm going to have to slow pour this, and I want to do it in 1 pour. And I try to watch professional bartenders do things. So what they do is they do something like this. And that's turning out pretty good. As you can see, I could probably get another ounce of club soda in there or soda water in there. But I think this will be just fine. Straw. Straw. And garnish. The official garnish is a melon ball. For those of you who don't know, I don't really care for melon. I often skip this step, and I'm not going to go through the bother of getting a big melon and making melon balls out of it just for this drink. So instead, what I got is one of those little variety packs, those fruit baskets, those fruit containers. They've got interesting fruit like grapes and pineapple, and then the rest of it's filled up with melon for some reason. I don't know why the stores hate people, but you know, there you go. So anyway, a little piece of melon, not balled. If you want to make it official, ball your melon. A dehydrated lime wheel. Maybe I'll stick that right back there. And like I said, the picture shows a little plastic machete. I could not find one, so we've got the plastic sword. I'll stick that right in there. A lot of stuff sticking out of this drink. And there you have it, the Machete Melon Cooler from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, do you like melon? And if so, what's wrong with you? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media links, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.